Dean Davidson Live WeatherBlogs.com meteorologist here. It's time for your overnight outlook, and we're talking about some massive amounts of precipitation. We're talking 2 inches plus Roanoke, Philadelphia north and west, Allentown, New York City north and west, bullseye in the Hudson Valley. This could be really ugly when it gets into the next 2 days for rainfall amounts, and flooding will be likely in all areas just mentioned. And we're going to get into that here on the overnight outlook. Also, you can see the heavy precipitation going on in Mississippi and Alabama area with a warm front stalled there right now. We'll go into that when we look at the local radar. But the threat is going to be there for heavy rainfall here in the Delaware Valley, Hudson Valley, and Roanoke Valley. See on the HAZMAT, tornado watches and tornado warnings, and then here we have the flood watches all across Pennsylvania, West Virginia, New York, Pennsylvania, parts of New Jersey, down through parts of Virginia, especially Roanoke, parts of western North Carolina, parts of Georgia. We're set up for extremely heavy rainfall coming up here in the next 48 hours. National radar, you see the low pressures out here in the Midwest, bring all that Gulf moisture into play, and then we're going to get some Atlantic moisture. That's going to make it so bad here in the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic states. There's a severe weather threat, and incidents throughout the day. We had tornado near Paris, Texas. We have a threat now, moderate risk here in Louisiana and parts of Mississippi, and that's going to be through the overnight time. Nocturnal tornadoes are 50 to 100% more probable to kill you at nighttime. So be very much on your toes. Have your weather radio ready. All right, for the day on Wednesday, Gulf Coast states, including New Orleans, are going to still be in it. And this is going to all push across. This whole area is T-Tex. That's a marginal area. I believe this will also become an area for severe weather, especially towards the end of tomorrow. And Roanoke, don't put yourself out of this. I believe if we get enough warm air intrude this cold air damming that's up against the mountains, we're going to have threat of severe weather. At least Lynchburg and east. I see that happening for tomorrow into the day on Thursday, with the risk of high winds and isolated tornadoes. Thursday, we're talking Norfolk, we're talking about Raleigh, we're talking about eastern North Carolina, eastern South Carolina, including Charleston, parts of Florida, such as Orlando, in the threat for severe weather. Let's look in the area of Louisiana, Mississippi. We got a tornado warning in effect here. You can see this looks like it has a little bit of a hook here. We got hail detected. Also to watch some of these situations up a little further north. That's rotation detected there. Different reflectivity pattern. Storm relative velocity. You do have some greens and reds next to each other, so this area would be it has high top thunderstorms and definitely hail possible. And there are also some storms here that may have hail. And these are on flood warnings too, so these are going to be rain wrapped. When you look at the rainfall amounts, extreme. Temperature around the Roanoke Valley. 49 Bristol, 37 Galax, 41 Blacksburg, 47 Roanoke, 45 Lynchburg, 37 Lexington, 36 Hot Springs, and 34 in Staunton. Look nationally, 47 Seattle, 60 LA, 47 Tulsa, 70 Houston, 52 Memphis, 47 Roanoke here, 22 Bangor, 38 in the city of New York. And Windy City, 38 degrees also. You can see we have a deeper flood threat this time after all that rain a couple days ago in the Roanoke Valley, and it looks like we'll probably be flooding. I wouldn't be surprised in the first 8 hours that we get flood warnings going out. Let me do rainfall totals. The 3-inch mark's running right along the Blue Ridge Mountain. That's not going to be good for any of these areas that we around here that we have. So the Blue Ridge Mountains, Bent Mountain, that area, we're going to have flooding throughout. Expect it. Turn around, don't drown. 44 on Wednesday, very cold. 44 Wednesday night, 53 Thursday. Again, thunderstorms. Breezy then, Thursday night and Friday, 63. Sunny on Saturday, so it's going to look like a beautiful weekend coming up here. In the Triad, 53 Wednesday, heavy rain throughout during the day, and it goes through Thursday. Chance of thunderstorms also as this front passes. 34 Thursday night, Friday, 56 and sunny. Lean towards 70 on Saturday and sunny. So no flood watch yet, but that may change. Watch out for flood warnings in the Triad. And in the Triangle, 57 Wednesday, 56 Wednesday night. Not much of a change. 66 Thursday. Chance of thunderstorms Wednesday night and the Thursday. More likely than even Roanoke. And then 36 Thursday night, 57 Friday. Beautiful day on Saturday, 66 degrees. Sunny skies. So flooding is possible. Roanoke, also up in the areas of Philadelphia and the Hudson Valley. Stay with liveweatherblogs.com for your latest weather information. Also visit Mike DeFino's latest blog that draws out very much how bad it's going to be in the Northeast United States. For liveweatherblogs.com, meteorologist Dean Davis. Have a great evening.